because of acute and chronic migraine headaches, and I was just at the edge of medicine and saying no more. So when I decided that I was going to eliminate all of the prescriptive drugs, I knew I needed some help, and so I chose acupuncture. Wow, when you have migraines 15 to 25 days a month, it severely impedes on your activity. It affects everything, which is why I knew I needed to do something about it or be bedridden. Wake up in the morning without a headache is like fantabulous. I have a lot more energy, I'm sleeping better, and of course I'm pain-free much of the time, which is a great asset. Oh, definitely I did. To eliminate the amount of medications that I was on in and of itself is a major accomplishment. To be able to reduce my migraines way beyond what I thought I would be able to is really just fantastic. You know, I came here with the goal of if I could have perhaps a half dozen migraines a month, I would be happy. And we have exceeded that dramatically, so I couldn't be more pleased. I did actually, because I've had acupuncture before in the past when I was in Florida. The fact that it took me so long to wake up again and say, hey, let's do acupuncture instead of all of this neurological stuff is beyond me, but I finally did. Well, first of all, you're all very friendly and very respectful, which is awesome to have. I think that also you all seem very knowledgeable about what you do and can create a comfort for the person who's going, ooh, I don't know about the needles. So there's a strong comfort level when you're here too. I've never felt nervous about anything that we've done.